Unlock your design potential. Learn how to create stunning tables in Canva that will elevate your presentations and make your data shine. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves clean, organized visuals. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you how you can make a table with canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. So Canva, it refers to the process of using the platform's tools and features to design and customize tables for organizing data or information visually. This can include adjusting cell sizes, adding text, incorporating colors and styles, and integrating tables into broader designs like reports or presentations. Canva simplifies this process with its intuitive interface, making it easy to create professional-looking tables without advanced design skills. So first of all I have to do is just sign up and write your email address and your password, then you will find the home page. First of all, you have just to click over here and you search here about table. Once you do that, you will find this. So you have just to select the table that you want, for example this one. You click over customize this template. So this is it, as you can see. So we'll click just over at a page and I will select, for example, those we have here. I will select this one, then we'll click over this, and then we'll click over nope, I'll just delete it, sorry. Then I will click over this one, for example. Then I will click over here, or I will just copy it, sorry. Then I will put it here. So this is it. Then I will click over this one. As you can see, for example, we have here 4, I need just 3. So it's the same size. I will just duplicate this one. So we have only another one here. I will click over duplicate again. And I will put it. So this is it. Then I will just click over this one. Then I will copy it. Then I will paste it here. For example, here we have how much? 6. I will just do 4. Then I will duplicate again. Sorry. So this is it. I will click over again, duplicate. So we have 4, 3, sorry, we have 3, and then I will click over duplicate again. Then I will click over duplicate again for the last one. So this is it. We have here 3, 4, 5. Then I will just choose here this one. So like that. Then we'll duplicate again. Duplicate again. And we'll click over Ctrl D. That will duplicate again. as you can see. And this is it. Then we have here, I will duplicate again. And again here. Then we have here duplicate. For duplicate again. Double click for duplicate. And here we have it. Click over duplicate again, and we'll have the last one here, as you can see. So this is my table. I will just select here. Here we have the color. So I will select the color I want, for example, this one. I will select here like that, and I will write whatever I want. Also here we have the color. I will select this one, and also here. I will just select someone like you have gray again. I will select gray here. Same for this one. Here we have, I will select black. Also here black again, and black. So this is it. For the color, I will let this one white. So I will write here, for example, names. Then we have here, for example, I will write we'll select here white. For the name, I will select, and I will write, for example, Mike. Then we have here, for example, Anna. Then we have here, I will select for example Lionel. We'll select here the color. It's great, Lionel. Put it in the middle. Then you add whatever you want here also. For example, he names. Here I will write days. Then I will write here marks, for example. Then I will write here, for example, numbers. So here we will write, for example, here we have Anna. I'll select the color. Also here, alright, then I will select first of all the color. I will write Lionel. Then we have I will write Chan, but I will select first of all the color. So this is it. You have your mic, Anna, Lionel, and Chan. I will delete this one. As you can see, then I will write here, for example, the days, Monday. I will select first of all the color of Monday. I'll select Thursday here. And you select here all day you want. Also here in marks you do the same. And then we have number here. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.